unlocking the meaning of "see you again soon." Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very common and friendly phrase you've likely heard or used yourself: "see you again soon." This simple yet profound expression is packed with meaning and sentiment, and understanding it can greatly enhance your conversational skills in English. So, let's get started. At its core, "see you again soon" is used when parting ways with someone, implying that you hope or plan to meet them again in the near future. Literally, it means that you expect to physically see the person again soon. However, its figurative meaning goes deeper, conveying a sense of friendliness, warmth, and the desire to maintain a connection with someone. It's a way of saying goodbye that is both positive and forward-looking. This phrase is versatile and can be used in both formal and informal settings, though it carries a more casual tone. Here are some scenarios where it's appropriate. Saying goodbye to friends after spending time together, at the end of a work meeting or conference call, especially if you'll be meeting with the same people again. When concluding a service interaction, like at a restaurant or a store, if you're a regular customer. The key is to use it in situations where there is an expectation or hope of meeting again. It's not just about seeing the person but also about the positive anticipation of your next interaction. While "see you again soon" is widely understood and used in English-speaking countries, it's important to be aware of cultural nuances. In some cultures, direct statements about future actions are taken very seriously, so it's crucial to use this phrase genuinely and with the intention of following through. Also, consider the relationship and the context. What works in one setting may not be appropriate in another. "See you again soon" is more than just a way to say goodbye. It's a bridge to future interactions, filled with optimism and warmth. Whether you're parting with friends, colleagues, or new acquaintances, using this phrase can leave a lasting, positive impression. We hope this video has helped you understand and appreciate the depth of these simple words. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you again soon on our channel.